Come on, buddy. Come on, there's pretzels over there. We got food.
I think Caden's about ready for a nap. Because you just said snacks and food and he still didn't move. Oh, donk. Mommy and Michaela's special project. We've been digging and digging and digging to try to find water. And we finally found it. Stand in it. Where'd your legs go? Where'd your legs go?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Well, we can go home now. I've been working on that stinking hole all morning.
And you finally found water, so you're successful?
Successful. Cool. Beautiful. Collecting seashells? It's awesome. Morning number 1 in Pismo Beach. We just packed up and we're gonna head back to give the kids some naps. That was such a fun morning.
It was a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty easy going. Like, they were just so happy. You and I got to relax and just kind of chase them around. As much as two parents with 2 children under the age of 5 can relax.
That whole duning part is completely shut down, so it's just like there's not many people here and it's quiet and peaceful and it's so beautiful. All right, lunch. Cleaning everybody up and figure out what we'll do this afternoon?
Exactly.
All right, let's do it. The kids are on like an hour and a half of napping, and wouldn't it be amazing if instead of all of the neighbors' generators that we are currently surrounded by, wouldn't it be awesome if we could hear the ocean waves that are right behind us?
You can. Between our generator, this one and that one, they're all in different sinks, and they're all waving up and down.
No.
Yes.
Why do you keep looking up there?
Pine cones keep dropping rapidly from this tree. One missed Caden by about 4 feet this afternoon.
And they're not like small pine cones.
No, they make a huge thud when they hit the ground. But anyways, I'm waiting for one to just hit the kitchen vent and shatter the plastic.
I mean, we already lost 2 kitchen drawers. What's a vent?
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna go for the kitchen. But what we can do about it is we found a little convenience store up the street. We're gonna go take a walk, find a, see what they have there, and maybe take the kids to another part of the beach. Oh my gosh, it's dangerous. We can't stand here anymore. Did you hear that one? Oh, let's go.
Well, the wagon just got a lot heavier.
Why?
We taught the kids about real life and stopped at a liquor store.
That's what real life is. And don't forget the fact that he hid more back here. But we thought about the children. I got them a shovel and they got ice creams.
Same.
So you know what? Father of the year. Well done.
Pack you a little deer.
That too. Can I help you? Why are you poking me with your shovel? Why? So guess what we found?
How did you find the drone?
How did we find the drone? Our neighbors, a few up, told us we heard it go that way and around and towards the lagoon. And we're like, oh boy. So we found a whole path. There's a crazy wide path over there. We start going down it. We're climbing in the bushes because they said it went like behind their side and all this stuff. They're looking too, and one of them goes, I see it. She points way up in a tree. So it was in a tree. I don't know how she spotted it because it blended in. And I got a broom, poked it, knocked it down. I crawled in these bushes to get it. This toy though is going into retirement for this trip.
You dead?
Gone.
Smart.
No.
Well, they took crazy late naps. So we're going back down to watch the sunset. We're covered in off. And we'll see how this goes. We might live to regret this, but you only live once. Michaela, you're like leaving a trail of sand as you run. It's pretty funny, out of your bag. It's like your special fairy dust. Come on, look at Michaela. Oh, he's happy now. I let Mike take off with the beer way off that way. And I got Cranky McGee back here. And somehow I also have Michaela's shovel. Well played, Mike. Hi! Oh, you want this? Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, love you. Look at that, Mike's sitting way out there with his beer, relaxing. Meanwhile, I'm over here, and Caden's squealing with delight as he climbs up and down these hills. I can't even be mad because it's so cute. Now what do you see? Now what do you see? Oh wow, this is a steep one. You're gonna do this? Oh, this makes mommy nervous. Okay, no problem. Hey, what are you doing?
Look who! Hi!
Whoa! Did you find water yet?
Oh.
No?
Buddy, you want a shovel?
Go help. Kind of hard to believe it's our last morning here. Well, I guess tomorrow, but we're going to be packing and leaving, so that's no fun. Let's go outside. We got bacon, we got eggs, and then it's time to go back to the beach. And as you can see, I didn't even bother with my hair because it's going to be a hot mess down there anyway. Say bye-bye. Where's your yogurt? Let's go get your yogurt. He's ready to eat. Let's do it. How was your breakfast?
Very good.
My compliments to the chef.
2 meats, I'm in heaven.
Now what do you want to do?
Go to the beach.
Today was one of those mornings where everybody was just happy and amused and playing with the water and water bottles. And Mike, we like finished our coffee.
Yeah.
This is the first time this whole
breakfast.
trip I have actually had my coffee and drank it in the morning. We had a nice breakfast.
Yep.
Now we decided we have like an hour or so to kill before nap. So we thought we'll just go maybe by the dunes climb around a little and head back. We didn't bring much.
Nope.
It's one of those
Easy trip.
easy morning trips with not much stuff, and Mike's pretty against ever trying to bring the wagon down there again.
That was brutal.
So
I'm so sore today.
oh no. Oh, it's good for you.
Yeah.
Good exercise.
Yeah. Pulling this weighted sled through the sand. I felt like the tractor pulls, but I was the tractor.
It's like, I don't think that the extra money I paid for those wheels really made a difference.
Nope.
Not in the sand. You can climb up that, Sissy? Oh my goodness. It's like her own little sand slide. All these dunes to climb on, and they're climbing on Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh!
Daddy. Good job.
Dunes morning done. Now it's nap time. Best part of the day?
Michaela, Mama's trying to ask you what you want to do.
Look at, he's cute. Okay, that's not. Let's rearrange the angle. He's cute. Well, we took a little adventure. We drove to a place called Splash Cafe, recommended to us by our neighbors. And we got their world famous clam chowder. We got some calamari and a little bit of fish. So we'll see if it's really world class and as good as they say. The world famous chowder.
That's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
As good as the other one?
It's different. I'd say they're a little different. Trying to be really nice.
Oh, he already, he's eating it.
He's going back,
Going back for more.
No, thank you. Take this. No, thank you. Mommy definitely does not want to eat that. Not Mommy.
I would though. I love that.
He keeps going back for more. I wish you could see his face. It hurts.
He's so confused.
It hurts so good, doesn't it, Kaden?
It'll come out the backside.
I don't know why he keeps eating this. Yummy. 2 dinners in a row we are 2 dinners, 2 nights this week. We've managed to just do takeout.
I can remember one other time that we did not eat at our camper when we were camping.
When?
And that was in the lake where your mom and dad came up with us.
Lake Powell.
Lake Powell. And you and I went and had dinner at the restaurant.
I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like this way of camping. Delivery or pickup, no cooking, no dishes.
Other than that, those are the only times I ever remember us not eating at our camper.
Yeah? Well, I'm liking this new routine.
That's a special treat once in a while.
Or twice a week. Twice in 3 days. Well, this is super cool. We got down here for our last night, and by chance, it is super low tide. So there's shells everywhere. It just looks really cool and totally different. Love it. Okay, you can't not find the clamps.
Right?
You literally can't. Oh yeah, sand dollars. You can't not grab them.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Yeah.
So the rule is you gotta rebury them
Okay.
when you find them. So they can live. So we'll do that.
Gotcha.
Do we have to go?
I want to book it through here, okay? So I don't get devoured.
There's mosquitoes everywhere.
The sky is like magic right now.